Hello, Mom and Sir. First of all, I would like to greet you a pleasant day. Let me introduce myself. My name is Girlie Ibay from Philippines. I am 43 years of age, a college undergraduate, third year of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. With regards to my working experiences, I have worked in Qatar and in Hong Kong. In Qatar, I stayed for 3 years in a family of Qatari with 4 members. I work as a nanny for their newly born baby boy and a toddler, a 2-year-old boy, while doing the household chores including laundering, cleaning, ironing, and preparing foods for their children. I stay with them for 3 years. In Hong Kong, I work in a family of Chinese with 5 members, which includes the grandma, the couple, and their newly born twin. Also, I work as a nanny, a full-time nanny, which includes taking good care of their children indoor and outdoor while doing the household chores like laundering, cleaning, marketing sometimes, and cooking foods, especially breakfast and lunch. I don't cook dinner for I have the grandma who do the cooking for dinner. I stay with them for 8 years. They did not renew my contract for they want their children to teach to be more independent, to do things on their own. I can describe myself as a person that is hardworking, honest, kind, trustworthy. I am also flexible. I am also into learning new things. I have also an initiative to do things on my own. I am also a fast learner. You don't need to keep on telling me what to do. Just tell me once and that will be enough. And most of all, I am a person with God fear. I am a God-fearing person. If you hire me, Mom and Sir, I can assure you that you can entrust your children's safety with me while doing my responsibility as well. I am hoping and praying that you would consider my application to be part of your family as your helper. I'm looking forward in serving you, Mom and Sir. Thank you for the time. God bless.